All right, ladies and gentlemen, here we go. We have 4 Hit Parade baseball breaks that sold out. And then I have a few personal breaks that we got to catch up on as well. We're going to go bat, hat, batting helmet, and then the jersey. They're all division breaks. Nice, quick, and fun. All of our other breaks for today sold out. So Bowman Sterling at 2 o'clock. Let's see. Contenders Optic football at 3, Noir basketball at 3:30, and Unparalleled football at 4. We have breaks up for the rest of this week. Then I also have some TBA breaks and starting to get the schedule made for next week. When I'm not streaming, I'll show this. When I'm not live, I'm just going to switch over real quick to show you guys. I have the schedule up for the next 2 weeks because it's a little different than normal. Alex is not here today or tomorrow. We're both here Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. You can tell by the times. Monday, we're off for the holiday. Tuesday and Wednesday next week, we're both here. And then Thursday and Friday, I'm not here. So I figured it'd be best to let you guys know when we're here so you kind of have an idea of, you know, when to put orders in and whatnot. But if you ever have a question, boxbreaks@dacardworld.com is the best way to find out. But right there's the schedule for the next 2 weeks, just so everyone sees it. But that being said, we do need to do our breaks, which means I need to get to the spreadsheets, which are right here. Since they're all division breaks, I'll go over to the divisions right now for you, and then we'll rock and roll. Here we go. The AL East, the Yankees, the Red Sox, the Blue Jays, the Rays, and the Orioles. The AL Central, the Indians, Twins, White Sox, Royals, and Tigers. AL West, the Astros, Angels, Mariners, Rangers, and A's. The NL East, the Nationals, the Mets, the Braves, the Phillies, and the Marlins. The NL Central, the Cubs, Brewers, Cardinals, Pirates, and Reds. And the NL West, the Dodgers, the Rockies, the Diamondbacks, the Giants, and the Padres. All right, let's do this. Good luck to everybody. Here we go. 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times. 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. Brian M with the NL East, David D with the AL West, Lyle G with the AL Central and the AL East, Sam C with the NL Central, and Ralph A with the AL West. All right. Box 8. I'm going to work on getting some new Hit Parade breaks up as well. Oh, all right, I got a multi-signed bat here. It's on the Big Stick Barry Bonds professional model, and then it says Hall of Fame stars. Alright, so I got my work cut out for me here. Orlando Cepeda, Fred Lynn. That would be Barry Bonds. Some more to look up. Make sure there's no other sign. Hold on. This here. That's where all the signatures are right there. Oh, perfect. All right. might be able to put these together. So I got Fred Lynn, Orlando Cepeda, then Raleigh Fingers, Barry Bonds, Vita Blue, and then Newcomb. So I gotta figure this all out real quick. Bear with me. I do have Pro Baseball reference up, so it's gonna go by most games played for all of these guys. All right. This is fun. This is the first time we've gotten a multi-signed bat like this, so bear with me, guys. Alright, so obviously we'll start with the Bonds. That's the Giants. That's the NL West. And we'll go with Fingers next. Raleigh Fingers. The A's, I think, but let's see. Yes. That's the A's, which is the AL West. Cepeda. Cepeda is also going to be the Giants. Okay, who do we got next? I believe it's Fred Lynn. Yep. All right, Fred Lynn. Is Boston. That's the AL East. Just trying to think. I got to get all my divisions here so we can do the random for it. All right, very cool. All right, two more. Blue. Obviously, because no one plays now or anything like that, then none of them play. It you treat it just like a card without a team on it. We go most games played. And Vita Blue is Oakland, which is the AL West. And then Don Newcomb. Where it is the Dodgers, which is the NL West. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Blue, Newcomb, 2, Lynn, 3, Cepeda, 4, Bonds, 5, and Fingers, 6. We'll show those off again one more time. Very cool. Not gonna lie, this caught me off guard. Was not expecting the multi-signed bat. Let's get that back in here. Okay. Here's the cert. Get that back in as well. And now we have a very important random to do. So let's go dice roller. One die just needs to be 3 or more. Alright, so we're going to do this 6 times. Alright, so Bonds was the NL West. Fingers was the AL West. Cepeda was the NL West. Lynn, the AL East. Blue, AL West. And Newcomb, NL West. All right, 6 times. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. It's the AL West taking this home, and that is Ralph A. There we go. All right, well, hopefully that's a sign of things to come with these sweet hit parades. All right, let's see. Here we go. I do believe that is a first on the multi-sign bat. I've done a lot of these. We've had multi-sign other things. Pretty sure that's our first. It's definitely the first one that had more than 2. I believe it's the first multi one, though. Anyways, I digress. We shall move on. Very nice bat going into your collection for sure. So next up is the hats. We'll go to the dice roller on this one. Let's see. As you know, it needs to be 3 or more. That's all we're looking for. Alright, 6 times it is. It is 1. There it is. 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Four times. 1, 2, 3, 4 times. Don R with the NL East, Eugene L with the NL Central, Johnny P with the AL East, Vincent G with the AL Central, David D with the NL West, and Tim B with the AL West. $24 100. And it's a AL East Boston Red Sox Xander Bogaerts, and that is Johnny P. Taking that one. And next is the batting helmet. 9 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 times. Nine times yet again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Just waiting, and 9 times. All right, Chris H, you have the NL East. Tim, you have literally every other team. So Chris H with the NL East. Tim, you got everybody else. Let's see what happens. Box 59. Maybe. There we go. Okay. Nice. We got a Montreal Expos. Andre Dawson, just like the Cards, we follow the franchise. Means that's the Nationals. What makes it an NL East helmet? Given going to Chris H. One spot and you got it. Expos become the Nationals. Very nice. There you go. need is one to win. Sounds good. Guy at a carnival. All right. Box 43 at 100. Last hit parade break. And like I said, I got to get into some personal breaks. And then I got to do some work behind the scenes. And then I'll be back at 2 for Bowman Sterling. Copy. All right. There it is. 6, 7, 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 times. What do I want? Oh, that's what I want. Okay, 12. Can't do any more than that. 1, 2. There it is. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And that mythical 12. Okay. Anthony P. got the AL Central and the NL West. Vincent G. with the NL Central. Brian M. with the NL East. David D. with the AL East. And Eugene L. with the AL West. Box 43 of 100. Let's see what happens. And it is a Manny Machado. Baltimore, why? Can't I find it? Oh, the AL East. Okay. That took longer than it needed to. Machado, Baltimore. It's the AL East. AL East is David D. All right, there we go. Show that off one more time. Machado. There you go. Lucky 13, right? That's what I always say. All right, there we go. 4 up, 4 down. Hopefully you enjoyed some cool stuff there. Said I'll be right back with some personal breaks. We'll see you in a minute. Thanks a lot.